I'm going to be telling you 10 different ways on how you can travel cheap and how to get the most out of your vacations for the least amount of money. Number 1, set a budget. If you want to travel on a budget and make your money last as long as possible while getting the most out of your money, you need to set yourself a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend for the entire trip, and from there you can set a limit on everything. For example, you have $500 and you want to go on vacation for 1 week. You can dedicate 30% of your budget to transportation, 30% to lodging, 15% to food, 15% for activities, and then save the last 10% for any extra costs or expenses that arise. Now obviously this doesn't need to be your exact budget plan, but you can decide on how much you want to allocate for each category I just listed, and make sure to always save at least 10% of your budget for emergencies. Number 2, travel in off-seasons. Traveling in the off-season is a fantastic way to save money on your adventures. When you choose to travel during off-peak times, you can enjoy several benefits that help you stretch out your budget and have an incredible experience. First, you get lower prices. During the off-season, many travel-related expenses tend to be significantly cheaper. This includes flights, accommodations, tours, and even attractions. With fewer tourists around, businesses often offer discounted rates and special deals to attract visitors. Second, you have less crowds. Traveling in the off-season means fewer crowds and more opportunities to explore popular destinations without the hustle and bustle. You can enjoy shorter lines at attractions, have more space to roam around, and truly immerse yourself in the local culture. Plus, you'll have a better chance at capturing those perfect Instagram-worthy shots without anyone photobombing. Third, you get more authentic experiences. When you travel during the off-season, you have a greater chance of experiencing the destination in its most authentic form. You can interact more with the locals, learn about their traditions, and get a deeper understanding of the local way of life. This can make your travel experience more meaningful and memorable. Fourth, there's more availability and flexibility. Traveling in the off-season often means greater availability and flexibility when it comes to booking accommodations, flights, and activities. You're more likely to find the perfect hotel room, snag a great flight deal, or secure a spot on that popular tour. Fifth, you get to experience a more serene atmosphere. If you prefer a more peaceful and relaxed travel experience, the off-season is the way to go. You can enjoy the serenity of popular attractions, stroll through the picturesque streets without the crowds, and savor the beauty of nature without distractions. It's a wonderful opportunity to truly connect with the destination and create lasting memories. Remember, the off-season varies depending on the destination, so it's essential to do your research and plan accordingly. While there may be some trade-offs such as weather conditions or limited availability of certain activities, the cost savings and unique experiences you'll gain from traveling in the off-season make it well worth it. Number 3, choose your destination wisely. Aside from traveling in the off-season, you should make sure to choose your destination wisely. Unless you're 100% set on your destination, you can save a lot by keeping your options open and traveling to a country or location that's cheaper than where you are currently living. Even though the flight might cost a little more, if you're traveling long enough, choosing a cheaper country will end up saving you much more overall than if you took a cheaper flight to somewhere that everything else costs more. Number 4, finding cheap flights. After choosing your destination, you'll need to start finding those incredible flight deals that will make your jaw drop. One of the best ways to score cheap flights is by being flexible with your travel dates, avoid peak seasons, and consider flying on weekdays or during off-peak hours. Also, make sure to utilize flight comparison websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak to compare prices across different airlines and find the best deals. And don't forget to set up price alerts for your desired destinations to catch those amazing discounts when they pop up. If you'd like to learn more information on booking cheap flights, I have a video that goes more in depth on it that you should go check out after watching this video. Number 5, budget accommodations. Now that you've sorted out your flights, let's talk about accommodation options that won't burn a hole in your pocket. Instead of going for luxurious hotels, consider alternative options like hostels, guest houses, or even couch surfing. These options not only save you money, but also provide opportunities to meet fellow travelers and immerse yourself in the local culture. And hey, who knows, you might make some lifelong friends along the way. Number 6. Local transportation hacks. Getting around in a new city can be a bit tricky, but fear not, I've got some awesome transportation hacks for you. First, research the local public transportation system. Buses, trains, and trams are usually more budget-friendly than taxis or rental cars. Plus, using public transport gives you a chance to experience the city like a local. Another great option is walking or biking, which not only saves money, but allows you to explore hidden gems and stumble upon unexpected adventures. Number 7. Saving money on food. Let's talk about one of the most delicious aspects of travel, food. To save money on meals, try out local street food or visit local markets where you can find affordable, filling, and mouth-watering dishes. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new flavors. Another tip is to book accommodations with a kitchenette so you can prepare your meals and save yourself money on eating out. Number 8. Free and low-cost attractions. Who says you need to spend a fortune to enjoy your destination? Research free or low-cost attractions such as city parks, museums with discounted or even free admission days, or free public walking tours. These activities can provide incredible experiences without draining your wallet and often end up making the best memories that you'll have of your vacation. Number 9. Travel credit cards. Travel credit cards can be an amazing tool to help you travel cheap and maximize your savings. These cards offer a variety of benefits that can make your travel experiences more affordable and rewarding. Let me break it down for you. First, you can earn travel rewards. With travel credit cards, you can earn points or miles for every dollar you spend on your card. These rewards can then be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, car rentals, and more. By strategically using your card for everyday expenses and paying off the balance in full each month, you can accumulate a significant amount of travel rewards over time. Second, they come with sign-up bonuses. Many travel credit cards offer lucrative sign-up bonuses when you meet a minimum spending requirement within a specified time frame. These bonuses can range from a substantial number of points to free hotel nights or companion tickets. Third, they have travel benefits. Travel credit cards often come with a wide range of travel-related benefits that can enhance your travel experiences and save you money. These benefits may include airport lounge access, priority boarding, complimentary checked bags, travel insurance coverage, and even concierge services. Fourth, they can help with foreign transaction fees. When you travel internationally, some credit cards charge foreign transaction fees for each purchase made in a foreign currency. However, certain travel credit cards waive these fees, allowing you to make purchases abroad without any additional charges. This can save you a significant amount of money, especially if you travel frequently outside your home country. Fifth, they offer additional travel protections. Travel credit cards often provide additional protections such as trip cancellation, interruption insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, and rental car insurance. Remember, it's important to choose a travel credit card that aligns with your travel goals and spending habits. Be sure to compare the rewards, annual fees, interest rates, and other terms before applying for a card. With responsible use and strategic planning, travel credit cards can be a valuable tool to help you travel cheap and make your travel dreams a reality. Number 10. Promos and loyalty programs. If you already have too many credit cards or you don't want one, you can still benefit by taking advantage of any promotions or loyalty programs. They're a great way to earn free or discounted stays and free or discounted flights. Most airlines and hotels offer free to sign up for loyalty programs that allow you to earn points if you book your accommodations or travel through them. Although these aren't typically as good as the credit card programs, you will still be able to earn points back on money that you'd be spending either way. Often, once you sign up for a loyalty program, you will automatically be enrolled or can choose to be enrolled to receive exclusive promotions that are only offered to members of the loyalty program. Promotions can range from extra points once making a certain type of booking to a percentage discount on a booking made for a certain time or made in a certain time frame. And there you have it, my friends, a guide to traveling on a budget and making the most of your adventures without breaking the bank. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Please make sure to check out my video that goes in depth on booking cheap flights for even more helpful tips and tricks, and subscribe for more future tips and tricks.